So when students have language barriers, often the comprehension of certain concepts can be a barrier to them. So what's really important is that they understand what you're talking about in multiple means of representation. So although I was explaining a concept or a skill, inserting a nasogastric tube, I had the manipulative, I had the tubes with me, but often students cannot all put that into context. So, on the smartboard, I showed multiple images of exactly what I was talking about. And, in the literature, it talks about that matching an image with a concept will increase recall 6 times faster. Being able to process that in multiple ways is important. In teaching any type of new skill or any theory, it's imperative that teachers show many examples. For example, if I were to tell a student this is a table, well, if I don't show multiple examples of tables, then they may go through their entire learning process or education thinking there's only one size table, one color table, one while there are many different colors and shapes and sizes of tables. So we have to never teach a concept in isolation, connect it to meaning, and show multiple examples.